So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Government Exam Revision Series, we have here these two JAMB repeated questions to answer on the topic Electoral Process. So in short, to stay till the end of this video as this is a very important one. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, the credibility of the electoral process is enhanced by the existence of A. Independent judiciary, B. Transparent electoral body, C. Ombudsman, D. Pressure groups. So guys, the answer to this question is option B, that's transparent electoral body. So that's it for this question. Let's go on to the next one, guys. So over here we have question number 2. It says, the head of the electoral body that conducted the June 12, 1993 elections was A. Dagogo Jack, B. Ovi Whiskey, C. Eme Awa, D. Humphrey Nwosu. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, that's Humphrey Nwosu. And that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally, guys, I want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on JAMB examinations. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.